Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Tingnan muna natin sa signs and symbol cards. So we have here binoculars. So someone is looking at you. Maring from afar, from a distance, or kahit na malapit lang tong taon to, hindi siya makalapit-lapit sa'yo. So we also have here medication. Coins, newspaper, money, okay, traffic lights, and the hourglass. Uy, mukhang naghihintay, ha? Divine timing ba ito? Or tamang oras? Ayan. So, tingnan muna natin to sa tarot cards natin. Uy, long distance. So, itong taong to iniisip ka, pinagmamasan ka from afar, from a distance. So, long distance situation. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ace of Wands, the Hierophant. The Knight of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Bottom card is the Ace of Swords. So we have here two aces. No, mukhang ano na tong taong ito eh. Mukhang ano din eh. Nag-start sa talking stage and then nawala na lang tong parang bula. Ayan. With the Five of Pentacles natin, Seven of Swords. Siguro umiwas to agad kasi ang lakas kasi ng energy para nakilala mo to sa online or dating app, mga ganyan. And then, parang inisip ninyo na, ay, mukhang mahirap to kasi ang layo nyo masyado. Ganyan. So, or habang nag-uusap kayo, bigla na lang siyang nawala kasi parang may nakita siya or may nakilala siyang iba na inisip niya, siguro mas madali ito na lang pipiliin ko, parang gano'n. So, hindi ka na niya kinausap. Kaya parang nag-move on ka na dito sa sitwasyon na to with this medication, coins, kasi may third party situation dito sa coins energy natin dito. Pero may na-receive kang balita or news or message, may na-receive kang message from this person na parang something na nakapagpapagulo ng isip mo ngayon kasi you're moving on na or naka-move on ka na dito sa taong ito. Pero parang may nagsabi sa iyo na, uy, parang hinahanap-hanap ka ni ganito, parang nami-miss ka ni ganito, parang ganyan. So parang naguluhan ka. Kasi ang alam mo, wala siyang pakialam or nakalimutan ka na nitong taong ito. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Anong message ng Archangels? So, we have here Life Review by Archangel Jeremiah. Take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. Ayan. So, kumbaga parang nag-retreat ka, inano mo yung sarili mo, parang you want to heal na from lahat ng heartaches na pinagdaanan mo para for this new beginning. Kasi ito talagang gusto mangyari, new beginning, no? Na ang tagal mong hinihintay, ang two aces, ang daming pagbabago, bagong simula na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. You are embracing this new energy, new positive energy na para nag-i-start ka. Kahit pa sabihin natin nag-start ka from zero, from scratch, parang nagsisimula ka ulit, bumangon from this hardship na mga pinagdaanan mo noon. Ayan. And then parang, for some of you, parang nagre-relapse, moving on, pero nagre-relapse. Ayan. Kaya parang may naguguluhan dito kung itutuloy niya na ba yung moving on process or itatry again. Itong something na to. Sa connection nyo nitong taong ito na from a faraway land. Doon ka sa far away. Ganon. So, tingnan natin. Mga messages natin dito, willing to take the risk. So, siguro noon, dahil nga sa long distance situation, hindi niya kaya mag-take ng risk. Pero ngayon, para nagbago yung ihip ng hangin eh. You're my inspiration. You're so hot. I'm proud of you. Letting you go, walking away. Working hard for our future. Can we talk? And I hit my pride and ego. You're so sweet and caring, bottom card. So, tingnan natin. More messages. I want to feel that way again. We both know I'm not the one for you. So, siguro tinanggap niya lang na hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Pero, ayan eh. Hindi pa rin niya makalimutan to. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So, maring hindi lang yan sometimes. You speak to me through music. I know that I crossed the line with you. We need to let each other go para ma-realize yung mga kailangan ma-realize. And I left you before you could leave me. I don't react when people mention you sa bottom card. Kuha tayo ng initials. Letter T, C, take care. Ayan. M, L, I, H, P, D, V, N. Bottom card, letter J. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. We have here, balance, prophecy, and runner. The runner. Yan, bumabalik yung tumakbo. Kasi naman yung tumakbong yan ng ghost. Biglang nagbabalik loob. Ayan. So, tingnan natin sa ating general signs and messages. So, we have here number 8. Number 1. Caring, weird, sweet, and gorgeous. Overthinker. Ayan eh, ito yung dahilan eh. Nag-overthink ka ngayon eh. No? Future lover. Good heart. Kasi nako-confuse ka sa pinapakita niya mixed signals. High expectation. Summer. Taurus. Eye contact. Cup is water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Amazing. Need more signs. Leo sign. Gemini sign. Smart. Skin tag. April, August, and chaser. Ayan. Yung runner dati, ngayon is maghahabol naman. So, we also have here November, vulnerable, killer smile. Oh, killer smile na perfect smile pa. Number 9, and the mirror card. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.